Vivo has confirmed that it will announce the Vivo Y300 5G in India on November 21st. While the company already has the phone's rear design and color options, the Vivo Y300 5G giving us a glimpse of the design. It houses a vertical dual camera setup at the rear, the arrangement of camera sensors, and the LED flash. The phone comes in 3 colors. The Y300 will feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel that offers a 120 Hz refresh rate, a peak brightness of 1200 nits, and an in-screen fingerprint sensor. The Vivo Y300 will come with the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 SoC, up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage, and Android 14-based FunTouch OS 14. The handset has a dual rear camera unit, including a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 primary sensor and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, a 32-megapixel front camera, Vivo Y300 powered by 5000 mAh battery with 80W wired fast charging support. The leak also includes an alleged price tag of 19,999 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.